Hello, mathematicians. Today we're going to be learning about algebraic expressions, more specifically about the distributive property. We're going to use the distributive property to expand each algebraic expression. So here we have 2 times, and then in parentheses, 3x plus 5. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the 2 and then multiply it by all the terms inside the parentheses. To start us off, we're going to do 2 times 3x. So an easy way to look at this is we could multiply 2 times the coefficient of 3x. So 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then that would be 6x. So it's 2 times 3x. Then we're going to bring down the plus sign. And then finally, we're going to take the 2 and multiply it by the other term, which in this case is 5. And 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So after we distribute the 2, the final expression we get is 6x plus 10, which is equivalent to our original expression. Here we have another example that is 3 times and then in parentheses x plus 12. Remember that whenever we have a variable that is by itself, we could add a coefficient of 1 to help us. So when we distribute, we're going to do 3 times 1x, which is equal to 3x. Make sure you bring down the plus sign, and then we're going to distribute the 3 to the 12. And 3 times 12 is equal to 36. And our final expression is 3x plus 36. Here we have 6 times, in parentheses, 2 plus 7x. We're going to go ahead and distribute the 6 to the 2 first. So 6 times 2 is equal to 12. Make sure you bring down the plus sign. And then 6 times 7x is equal to 42x. So now we have 12 plus 42x. Here we have 5 times, and then in parentheses, 2x minus 8. So in order to distribute the 5, we're first going to do 5 times 2x. And 5 times 2x is equal to 10x. Make sure you bring down the subtraction sign. And then we're going to distribute the 5 to the 8, and 5 times 8 is equal to 40. So now we have 10x minus 40. So here we have 4 times, in parentheses, x minus 6. Remember that whenever we have a variable by itself, the coefficient is actually 1. So we're going to go ahead and distribute the 4. So 4 times 1x is equal to 4x. Make sure you bring down the subtraction sign. And then 4 times 6 is equal to 24. So here we have 4x minus 24. Here we have 7 times, in parentheses, 3 minus x. Before we go ahead and distribute that 7, remember that if there is no coefficient in front of a variable, we could always add a 1 there to make it easier. So now let's go ahead and distribute. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Make sure you bring down the minus sign, and then 7 times 1x is equal to 7x. And so we have 21 minus 7x as our answer.